we're told to complete the equations. They have 34 times 8, and then they have something times 8 plus 4 times 8. Then they add all that stuff together, and then they get something else. So pause this video and think about what should be in these blanks. All right, so let's just think about this first thing. And sometimes when you see all of these blanks and parentheses, it can get a little confusing. But if you just try to break down, how would you try to actually tackle this? Well, you could actually view 34 times 8 as 30 times 8 plus 4 times 8. And another way to think about it is 34 is the same thing as 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4. And we're multiplying that times 8. So we're going to multiply that whole thing times 8. And so then if you apply the distributive property, that's going to be 30 times 8. So 30 times 8 plus 4 times 8. Plus 4 times 8. So 4 times 8. And so what do we have right over here in this first step? Well, they have something times 8 plus 4 times 8. So that something is going to be 30. And you can even verify that because in this next step, you can see that the 4 times 8 is this 32 right over here. And you could say, well, what times 8 is 240? Well, you can see that's definitely 30 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24, so 30 times 8 is 240. So that is the same thing as that. So I know it's sometimes a little bit complicated, but just try to see what you would do if you were doing the distributive property, and then you'll see where the numbers, what numbers you might want to fill in. Now this last step, we just have to add 240 plus 32. You might be able to do that in your head. 240 plus 30 is 270, plus another 2 is 272. If we want, we could write it out here. 240 plus 32. In the ones place, 0 plus 2 is 2. Tens place, 4 tens plus 3 tens is 7 tens. And then we have 200s, 272.